At UNSW, we're all about nurturing brilliance.
We've produced more technology entrepreneurs than any other Australian uni.
And our research is making an impact right around the world, helping to solve some of our most pressing problems.
We're pretty much a giant magnet for ideas people like you.
Maybe a bit of a maverick?
A shaker-upper?
You look at things differently.
Maybe you're the Uber challenger, always moving, always the next goal in sight.
Or maybe you're the hyper-focuser, relentlessly honing in on that one big solution.
That's why we've created the UNSW Founders Program.
To help passionate world changers like you unleash your inner entrepreneur.
You'll start at the Michael Crouch Innovation Centre, where you'll hack,
Design
Prototype.
And tinker.
to create amazing, useful things.
You'll also meet other passionate world changers just like you.
form teams with them.
And pitch your brilliant idea in a supportive, collaborative environment.
You'll then refine and test that idea, supported by a whole raft of initiatives to help you on your journey.
Women founders can take advantage of our New Wave Founders Initiative.
And our global Founders Program will help those of you ready to launch into foreign markets.
Outstanding founders will then be invited to a series of targeted programs to help grow and scale up their startup through mentorship, funding, and technical support.
The final step in the founder journey is the Founder 10X Accelerator.
Which supports up to 20 high-impact startups each year.
The lucky teams will participate in an intensive 10-week program featuring world-class industry mentors, funding, and incredible networking opportunities.
Launching you
Passionate, world-changing entrepreneur.
into the 21st century global workplace.
The UNSW Founders Program.
It's all very hands-on.